Hi students, MCQ number 2. 3 charges, each of +1 microcoulomb, are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. If the force between any two charges be F, then the net force on either charge will be. It's a very good question based on the concept of vectors. Now you can look at the arrangement of the 3 charges at the 3 vertices of the equilateral triangle. Now each charge is trying to repel the charge along the line joining the 2 charges like this. Okay. Now what is to be found is, you consider any one charge, what is the net force acting on it. So what is the net force acting on any one of the charges we have to find out. So let us take the vertices like this, A, B and C. I will consider the charge which is placed at A. So that is 1 microcoulomb. So on this, the other 2 charges will experience the force. Okay. So the net force acting on any charge must be equal to the vector sum of the other 2 forces. Okay, the other 2 forces. So when 2 forces are acting on A, which are separated by 60 degree, understand, these 2 forces are separated by an angle of separation of 60 degree. So I can represent these 2 forces along the 2 sides of a triangle. Okay. So we have studied triangle law of vector addition. So using the triangle law of vector addition, the net force acting on any of these charges is equal to what? The vector sum of any 2 forces. Okay. So the magnitude of the net force must be equal to square root of F square plus 2 into F into cos of the angle between the 2 forces, that is equal to cos 60 degree. We have studied resultant. The resultant R is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos theta. So here theta is equal to 60 degree. So F square plus F square is 2F square. So this is equal to square root of 2F square plus 2 into F is again another 2F square. Okay. Into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So the magnitude of the net force must be equal to square root of 2F square is a common factor. 2F square. Okay. So I will take 2F square into 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2. So that this is equal to square root of 2F square into 1 plus half is 1 and a half, that is 3 by 2. Okay. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So this is equal to square root of 3F square. Square root of 3F square. So F square, when it is taken out, this will become what? Root 3 times F. So the net force is equal to what? Root 3 times F. Okay. Therefore F net is equal to root 3 F. So which of these options is correct? You see, option D is the correct answer. Therefore option D is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood that. Well, fine.